more kindness and more compassion. We must have the intention to grow as a flower and open each petal one by one to strengthen the bonds of our relations. I invite our student scholars to present a bouquet of flowers, fragrant, with a warm welcome, the Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Madhumita Das. We welcome you from the core of our heart. Esteemed Chairman, Shri Madan Mohan Panda, School Managing Committee, a well-versed visionary, sir, we welcome you. Esteemed Regional Officer, DAV Public Esteemed Chairman Sir, Shri Madan Mohan Panda, School Managing Committee, Sir, is a well
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय धीये विजय जय धीये विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय
परम ब्रह्मा दीपं ज्योति जनार्दना दीपं ज्योति हरति पापः संध्या दीपं नमोस्तुते अशतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
everybody.
Hello.
On this celebrative occasion of the annual cultural function Kirwani Sound of Music 2018, we extend a cordial and hearty welcome to everybody present over here. We all eagerly await for the evening ahead to unfurl before us an array of talent by our dear students. Talent nurtured by the worthy parents and further polished to radiance by the worthy teachers. Talent arises every morning like the sun rested and refreshed, ready to unleash new treasures. From the past fortnight, I can add another 7 days to it now. The school has been a witness to the great hustle and bustle of the students and staff in a united effort to bring before you this auspicious evening of the annual cultural extravaganza Kirwani Sound of Music 2018. Revered Chairman Sri Madan Mohan Panda, the pillar of vision, worthy counsel, and strength upholding the edifice of DAV Unit 8 in all its peaks and valleys. One who believes in and has worked with the principle that the secret to success lies in our own efforts and belief in oneself. May I request, sir, to render the welcome address. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, everybody present over here. Samastam Kumar, Snehapurna Namaskar. It is a unique pleasure for me to welcome such a wonderful gathering on this auspicious occasion of the annual function. As all of you know, we had initially planned to have the function on 16th and 17th, but due to inclement weather, we were forced to postpone it to today and tomorrow. Esteemed Principal, Mrs. Ispita Das, esteemed General Mahapatra, Chairman CDA Cuttack, esteemed Regional Officer, DAV Institutions, Odisha Zone 1, esteemed principals of other sister concerns, esteemed coordinator, Ms. Dr. Mamata Banerjee, esteemed former principal of this institution, Dr. Mrs. Nayak, distinguished parents, guests, my dear students, members of the print and electronic media, and if I have missed somebody, I also very cordially invite him to this occasion. Now, at the outset, let me express my deep gratitude to Mrs. Das for sparing his valuable time to be with us on this occasion. All the other guests and invitees who are present here and who have responded to our invitation despite the cold weather, they all know that we don't have a covered auditorium, it's an open air auditorium, but still then they have come in sizable number, so we are grateful to them, and I extend a warm welcome and express our gratitude. In fine, I would say all those present here today, it is a source of encouragement for us, and I extend a hearty welcome to all of them. Thank you. Jai Hind, Bande Utkal Janani.
Standing on this platform, on the campus of this premier and prestigious educational edifice of the state capital, Bhubaneswar, on this wintry evening, at the outset, I express my absolute faith and gratitude to the Almighty for His benevolent blessings on us and extend a red carpet welcome to all the distinguished guests of the evening. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride and never quit, you will always be a winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. I definitely feel a bit melancholic to recall the last minute cancellation of our program scheduled on 17th and 18th of December due to the adverse weather condition. From the bottom of my heart, I express my gratitude to all the parents of my students who have extended their unflinching support to us throughout. Over here, I quote and unquote the moving words of poet Shelley, "O wind, if winter comes, can spring be far behind?" Namaskar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to the wintry evening of Kirwani 2018 on the campus of DAB Public School, Unit 8, Bhubaneswar. It's with immense delight I welcome, on behalf of DAB Unit 8 family, our chief guest of the occasion, Professor Madhumita Das, Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mori University, Baleswar, Revered Chairman of the School Managing Committee, Sri Madan Mohan Panda, esteemed Chairman of DAB Public School, Cuttack, General B.K. Mahapatra, Honorable Regional Officer, DAB Institutions, Odisha, Dr. K.C. Satpathy, respected Manager of the school, Dr. D.N. Mishra, esteemed members of the School Managing Committee, former Principal of the school, Dr. Mrs. Bhagyavati Naik, Principal, DAB Public School, CDA, Cuttack, Madam Mrs. Namita Mahanti, members of the Parent Teacher Coordination Committee, colleagues of our sister concerned schools, friends from print and electronic media, other distinguished dignitaries, valued sponsors, special and endowment prizes, parents and guardians of the school, dear alumni, my real strength behind my own team of DAB Unit 8, led by the school coordinator, Madam Dr. Mrs. Mamta Banerjee, and my dear students, to Kirwani Sound of Music 2018, the annual day celebration of the school. The school strongly rests on the four mainstays: students, teachers, managing committee members, and the parents who take pride of working in consonance with each other. We do have the strong support of the members of Parent-Teacher Coordination Committee who stand with us throughout our journey. Their valuable suggestions have been of immense help in developing strategies for the overall development of the school. We do dream of future attainments and look forward to the wishes of the contemporaries and the blessings of the elders. I wish to express my deep gratitude to those who have been instrumental in donating the special prizes for our staff and students, and also all the sponsors of the endowment prizes. Individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, and a civilization work. Let me express my feelings towards my team before concluding my report. To put up this colossal program, where more than 1,300 students and the entire staff are involved, seemed a next to impossible task to be achieved in a short time. But I'm very fortunate to have a team who stood beside me all the way, assuring that Kirwani 2018 would definitely be a grand success. If one begins all deeds well, it is likely that they will end well too. My tenure here on the campus of DAB Unit 8 is as yet a brief one, but I am happy to acknowledge the wholehearted cooperation of all associated with the school, which has definitely empowered me for the smooth running of this institution. Before I sign off, I once again welcome all distinguished dignitaries, guests, parents of my students, and dearest students of the school present on the occasion. A warm and cordial welcome to Kirwani, the annual day celebration of the school. I am very sure the young artist will make you spellbound with their mesmerizing performance. I request you to be with us until the end of the program and convey my sincere and warm wishes for each one of you for Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2019 in advance. Let's all pledge together to make the world a better place to live in. On the stage of Kirwani, let's realize music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Thank you. Vande Utkal Jalani.
May I request Honorable Sir, Regional Officer, Dr. Keshav Chandra Satpathy, to please address the gathering.
DAB Unit 8. The team has done well On behalf of the Regional Directorate, I congratulate all the teachers and the students and Dr. Mrs. Naik for the exemplary result they have given in the academic year 2017-18. Shubha Sandhya. Respected chief guest of this evening, Professor Madhumita Das, Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mohan University. I am grateful to you, Madam. You have accepted our invitation. And though you have a lot of program, you accorded your consent to be with us in this evening. So on core of my heart, on behalf of all the deviants of DAV Unit 8, I express my gratitude. We are making our children dependent. And remember, today you are here, tomorrow you will not be there. We will not be there. The child has to face the future of the life. Kindly think about that and accordingly act. I will not take much of a time. So with this, I convey my sincere gratitude to all the parents, those who have found some times to be with us. Thank you very much. Wish you all a very, very happy Christmas. Jai Hind, Bande Utkal Janani.
May I request Honorable Chief Guest to kindly address the gathering. Ma'am, please.
Namaskar. A very good evening to you all. Esteemed Dr. Satpathy, the principal, Ipsita ma'am, Bhagyapati ma'am, and all the dignitaries sitting in front of me. And I really mean that you all are the well-wishers of this school. That is why you are here. So I must express my gratitude for inviting me here. First of all, Dr. Satpathy and also Ipsita ma'am, because I am amazed and very impressed to see how these schools are moving and how they are performing. And in front of me, I see all the students. We know that the future of our nation lies in the classrooms and how well they are performing, and they have made us really very proud. Only one thing was missing, I would like to tell you, because my subject is geology, they have qualified in all the exams, CLAT, IIT, ISER. What about the Earth Science Olympiad? I think, are they participating or not? Because if they participate in the Earth Science Olympiad, and they will train 6 or 7 students, and they will send them abroad. So every year it is conducted by the headquarters is at Bangalore. So I would request the principal to also take note of it. To the teachers, I can just say, दम लगा दो, वक्त बहुत कम है, कुछ को मैं जगाती हूँ, कुछ को तुम जगा दो. And students, for the success, the sky is the limit. Go on with these 3 things. Only sincerity, there is no substitute for sincerity and hard work. If you are sincere and if you do put hard work, success, you will be definitely successful in life, and you will make your alma mater, this DAB school, you will make proud. You will make proud the state of Odisha and make the entire country, India, proud. So, सीढ़ियाँ उनको मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है. सीढ़ियाँ उनको मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है. हमारी मंजिल तो आसमां है, रास्ता हमको खुद बनाना है. Thank you and wish you all the parents, teachers, organizers a very happy, prosperous new year. All my good wishes and blessings for the 2019. Thank you again for inviting me here. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. May I request ma'am to please stay on the stage for the coveted prize distribution ceremony. May I also request the dignitaries, Honorable Chairman Sir, Shri Madan Mohan Panda, Honorable Chairman Sir, General B.K. Mohapatra, School Managing Committee, DAV CDA Cuttack, Honorable Regional Officer, Dr. Keshav Chandra Satpathy, and Honorable Manager of the school, Dr. D.N. Mishra, to please join the chief guest on the stage.
The Regional Mathematical Olympiad is the first step towards representing India at the global platform for mathletes, the people who wish to make their mark in the field of mathematics. It is a 3-hour written test with 6 or 7 brain-churning problems which could only be solved by those who wish to sublimate their love for mathematics through RMO and qualify for the next level, that is the Indian National Mathematical Olympiad or INMO. Please get your hands together to welcome these shining stars in the premises of DAV Public School Unit 8 who have qualified the RMO and are now entitled to the next level, that is the INMO. They have stunned everyone with their brilliant performance. May I take the pleasure of inviting them up on stage with a thunderous applause. Master Advit Barun of 10F. Please give a big round of applause for Advit. He has not only qualified the RMO but JMO before that. Congratulations, Advit. He gets a trophy and a certificate of appreciation. I request Advit to please be with us. Ms. Bhavna Mahapatra of 10F, who is also an exceptionally talented child and wishes to make her mark in the field of maths. I request all of them to be with us. Master Jyotishman Mahanti of 10F, not only has he made us proud with his achievement in RMO, but has also qualified the Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan at the national level. Congratulations, Jyotishman. Please give him a big round of applause. We also have in the list Master B. Satyanarayan of 11th Science, who has successfully qualified the RMO, but presently he is not with us this evening as he is out of station. We move on next to Master Swabhiman Swai of 11th Science Section C, who along with RMO has made us proud by qualifying the first stage of NTSE. Please keep the applause going for these stars. How bright and beautiful looks our stage with these stars. Please be with us, Swabhiman. Congratulations. Next I invite upon stage Master Jitendriya Praharaj of 12th Science, a brilliant scholar who has made the school proud with his achievements. He is not only the RMO qualifier but a KVPY qualifier as well. And what's more, he has clicked it thrice. He is a hat trick. He has made a hat trick in this field of qualifying in the RMO. Please give him a big round of applause. I request them all to please line up to freeze this glorious moment forever in the history of achievements of DAV Public School Unit 8 Bhubaneswar and cherish these memories always and forever. Congratulations everybody and a big round of applause for all of them. May the blessings of our dignitaries be showered on them. I think they're all, please. What a wonderful moment for them. I think they would better pose so that the photograph is all bright and beautiful with smiling faces and a shine in their eyes. Yes, they deserve a loud round of applause. I wish you all the best for INMO. Congratulations everybody once again. God bless you all. Please. Welcome on stage Master Krishna Shesh Gochayat of 12th Science with a thunderous applause. Master Krishna Shesh Gochayat. He has marveled everyone with his record-breaking performance in the event of long jump. An excellent 6.59 meters. That's a great mark. The school feels proud to honor him with a medal, a step tracker and a certificate of appreciation in recognition of his shining performance. Please get your hands together as I take the honor. as I take the honor of inviting upon stage the chess champion Master Srinivas Mishra of Standard 12 Science, who excels in this mind game and has left everyone startled with his intelligence and quick-wittedness. He is blessed upon with a step tracker, a trophy and a certificate of appreciation in recognition of his mastery over this mind game, chess. Let's welcome on stage Master Dibyanshu Swain of Standard 8, who bags the position of the second runner-up in yoga. He gets a trophy. Yes? Please give him a big round of applause. For Master Dibyanshu Swain, he gets a trophy and a certificate of appreciation in recognition of his magnificence in yoga. Please welcome on stage Dr. Swen Bikash Patnaik, father of Master Anirbeh Patnaik of 11 Science, as we are privileged to have him here with us today to receive the honor on behalf of his son Anirbeh, who has struck the bullseye and made it to the position of the second runner-up in shooting. A big round of applause for Anirbeh and his proud father, Dr. Swen Bikash Patnaik. He is honored with a trophy and a certificate of appreciation in recognition of his excellence. Please invite upon stage Master Priyanshu Mahanti on stage with a big round of applause, who has bagged the position of second runner-up in badminton. Yes, he is Master Priyanshu Mahanti. He is blessed with a trophy and a certificate of appreciation in recognition of his achievement in the field of badminton. Congratulations to all the prize winners. May God bless you all and may you make it to the zenith of success. Let's have a quick snapshot to capture this moment forever and keep it lush and green in our memory lane. What a wonderful moment. Let's clap once again for all of them who pose for a bright future and a bright career ahead. Wonderful, it's a glorious moment. I thank all the dignitaries on the stage for having showered their blessings upon our children and encouraging them to make greater moves in life. Thank you all. Every new snowflake comes to the earth as a picture of our Savior's birth, because they are sent from up above and remind us of God's care and love. So may every snowflake bring Christ to mind, and in every bit of white, may you find a reason to celebrate anew and a reminder of His love for you. With this, I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year ahead. May God bless you all. Namaskar. And now I request Ma'am Mrs. Bijay Bharti Sharma to take over for the rest of the proceedings. Thank you, everyone.
May I request our beloved Chairman Sir Shri Madan Mohan Panda and the dignitaries on the dais to felicitate our Honorable Chief Guest of the evening. Ma'am, we offer you a shawl of warmth and well wishes, a medicinal sapling and a set of Vedas, the treasure house of knowledge. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. May I request the dignitaries on the dais to please be seated. Let's on with dance, music, fun and frolic. Let joy be unconfined. Let there be no sleep till morn. Let's chase the glowing hours away with flying feet. As we come to the end of the formal meeting, our eagerness increases manifold to witness the vibrant presentations of dance, music and theatre. Hence, let me be no bar, and wishing you all an adieu, a Merry Christmas and a very, very cheerful year ahead. I take your leave and invite on the days a lady diligent, conscientious and a voracious reader, one who goes to great lengths for the welfare of her students. Beloved school coordinator, Ma'am Dr. Mrs. Mamta Banerjee, to render the vote of thanks. Adios de despedida. Enjoy the evening ahead and catch all the good vibes. Usher in the warmth on this chilly evening. Fare thee well, everybody.
Good evening, everybody. I know you must be waiting to witness the beautiful extravaganza waiting for you all. Thank you, Mrs. Vijayabharati Sharma. So before I start my gratitude for everybody, I would just like to mention some lines for all those people, those who stood by us. There are moments in our life that is not so pleasant to go through. The hours of 17 December 2018, the first day of Kirwani, which now I am termed that as a curtain raiser, evening when all of us here at DAV Unit 8 thought, how do we overcome those seconds of adverse circumstances? We explained to ourselves, understanding the very law of impermanence is one of the most powerful realizations. This is what we understand from nature. Here I am to express my gratitude to everybody who stood by us. So may I hear a round of applause for your patience. Please keep clapping. I render my special thanks to the parents for being good enough and cooperating with us throughout the session. Events like this, as I have mentioned, cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago, and it requires planning and a bird's eye view detail for everything. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of our school and staff members who know their job and are result-oriented. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and the willingness to take on the competition of tasks beyond their comfort zones. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I take deep pleasure to thank my dear children. Without your continued support, we never be able to put on events like this. So thank you. I express my deep gratitude to the DAV Old Students Association and to Dr. Siddharth Ray, especially the president, who has made many visits to the school in order to see that, to say and be there, to say that I am there with you and we are there with you. Thank you, students. My great thanks to the heart and soul of the function, without whose name and without his name being mentioned, I cannot budge from here, Mr. Matru Prasad Das, Mr. Manas Paray, Mr. Arun Pradhan, and of course our dear Mrs. Dipti Sahu, the cultural head. Thank you very much. My warmest thanks and appreciation to all the press members of both the print and electronic media, and we do look forward to a wonderful coverage tomorrow. My sincere thanks and heartfelt appreciation to one and all for sharing this special day with us in years ahead, and hold this very evening so fondly that we come over as ripples of memory whenever you think about this school. Thank you so much and for making this moment a very, very memorable one. So now I bid adieu so that the extravaganza continues, and then on the eve of Christmas, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a wonderful 2019 year ahead. Thank you, everybody.
देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश। ज्वाला सी जलती है आंखों में जिसके दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाह क्या उसका रंग कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे जिसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा रे जिसकी रखवाली रे, करता साया तेरा है देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
By the orchestra, really phenomenal. Good evening, Namaskar,
Shubha Sandhya to the esteemed galaxy of intellectuals
wonderfully doting parents,
and my dear friends.
we take pride and honor in extending a warm welcome to
Kirwani. So to begin with, let's put our hands together for a melodious chorus by the gifted school choir under the able guidance of Sir Mr. Mathaprasad Das and Ma'am Mrs. Padmaja Satpathy. This song is written by a beloved teacher, Ma'am Mrs. Latika Sadangi.
तो इसी बात पे सबके दिलों में हो सबके लिए प्यार,
आने वाला हर पल लाए खुशियों का बहार।
इसी उम्मीद के साथ भुला के सारे गम,
आओ मिलकर करें किरवानी की शुभारंभ।
आ
शुभ संध्या।
आज ए चित्ताकर्षक उत्सव रे दर्शक मानक बहुत अभिनंदन। आपण माने तो जानिथिबे आम भुवनेश्वर रे पुरुष विश्वकप हॉकी खेल अनुष्ठित होइथिला।
तुम्हें जानिछ भूमिका मु हॉकी खेल मन भरी उपभोग करिछि। हॉकी खेल परी नृत्य गीत माध्यम भारतीय माने ए देशर ऐतिहासिक परंपरा को चमत्कार भाव प्रदर्शन करि पारंती।
हाँ साई, आम ओडिशार संस्कृति सभ्यता कला और साहित्य पाए सारा विश्व रे प्रसिद्धि लाभ करिछि। खाली एतिकी नुहे, आम ओडिसी नृत्य आम संस्कृतिर वैशिष्ट्य एथिपाई जने ओडिया भाबरे मु खूब गर्वित।
आम राजधानी भुवनेश्वर रे खंडगिरी धौली और शांति स्तूप दर्शकों मन रे उन्मादन भरी दिए।
आम कलिंगर पूर्व पुरुष मानक वीरत्व एवं कीर्तिगाथा भाविले मनरे आनंदर लहरी खेली जाए।
इतिहासर पृष्ठा लेउटाइले देखिब आम ओडिशा रे सम्राट अशोक चंडाशोक धर्माशोक होइथिले।
से बुझी पारिथिले जे हिंसा प्रणोदित तरबारीर जय जय नुहे, मनुष्यर हृदय को जय करिबा ही प्रकृत जय।
कलिंगर से ऐतिहासिक घटना बली को नृत्य माध्यम परिवेषण करने जाउछंती आम विद्यालय ओडिसी नृत्यांगना माने।
आम प्रिय नृत्य गुरु अरुण प्रधान सर, रंजितापति मैम एवं श्वेत पद्मा रथ मैम को निर्देशना और सहयोग रे
आसंतु न समस्ते एक जोरदार करताली सह ए रंगारंग कार्यक्रम को साफल्य मंडित करिबा।
भारतीय वीर मानक मध्यरे श्रेष्ठ समस्त भारतवर्ष को अधिकार करी विजय वैजयंती उड़ाई जड़े सम्राट परवर्ती समय रे निजको बौद्ध सन्यास रूपे प्रतिपादित करथिले। से दयाक्षमार प्रतीक, प्राणवंत मूर्ति, समस्त आसक्तिर्मुक्त सम्राट अशोक। सम्राट अशोक अशोक अशोक।
किशोर कुमार अशोक राजकुमार मेले। किशोर कुमार अशोक राजकुमार मेले। गुरुपाद तले प्रणमी विद्या आरंभ कले। विद्या आरंभ कले।
ଶ୍ୱେତ ଭ୍ରାତା କରିଥିଲେ ହତ୍ୟା ରାଜ୍ୟ ଅଧିକାର ପାଇଁ। ରାଜ୍ୟାଭିଷେକ ହୋଇଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କ 4 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଯାଇ 4 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଯାଇ 4 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଯାଇ
जय देवानाम प्रिय प्रियदर्शी सम्राट अशोकंकर सम्राट अशोकंकर सम्राट अशोकंकर त्रिकनाधि धीना नाधि दिना नाधि दिना त्रिकनाधि धीना त्रिकनाधि धीना नाधि दिना नाधि दिना त्रिकनाधि धीना प्रबल सिंह विक्रम करी अश्वारोहण उत्तर राज्य सबु कले अधिकार से काले दक्षिण दिग दुर्दशा वीर कलिंग विपुल विभव राज्य संसारे सारा हे राज चक्रवर्ती परमवीर चक्र अशोक कलिंग राज्य ए पर्यंत अजेय होई रही कलिंग विजय करी पितामहंक इच्छा पूरण करंतु सम्राट। जय देवानाम प्रिय प्रियदर्शी सम्राट अशोकंकर सम्राट अशोकंकर सम्राट अशोकंकर కిడదిగతా తా జిడదిగ చిత్తా తా తా కిడదిగతా తా జిడదిగ చిత్తా తా తా కిడదిగతా తత్తే తత్తే దాదా తత్తే తత్తే దాదా ధాదిని తగ తిని తగ తినితా 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 ధా ధ ధ ధ ధా ధ ధ ధ తకిటి తకిటి తక తకిటి దిగిటిదా తకిటి తకిటి తక తకిటి దిగిటిదా ధిన్ తక్ ధ ధ ధ ధిన్ తక్ ధ ధ ధ దిగరా ధిన్ తక్ ధ ధ ధ
ଏକ ଲକ୍ଷ ମୃତାହତ 1.5 ଲକ୍ଷ ବନ୍ଦୀ 1 ଲକ୍ଷ ମୃତାହତ 1.5 ଲକ୍ଷ ବନ୍ଦୀ ପୁଅକୁ ହରାଇ ମା মরে কান্দি কান্দি মরে কান্দি কান্দি কেতে কেতে পরিবার হেলে বেসাহারা কিয়ে হেলা স্বামী হরা কিয়ে হেলা পিতৃহরা কিয়ে হেলা পিতৃহরা बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि
सहस्र सहस्र मृत सैन्य देखि विभत्स विकल नाद आकुल चित्कार अति भयंकर आकुल चित्कार अति भयंकर कांदिला अशोक हृदय कांदिला अशोक हृदय लखे जीवनर शिकारी मोही है लखे जीवनर शिकारी मोही है दिय मते दिव्य ज्ञान दिय मते दिव्य ज्ञान राज सुख तेजी धर्म आचरिबी राज सुख तेजी धर्म आचरिबी लोड़ा नाही मोर आन लोड़ा नाही मोर आन
दुखर कारण कामना कामनार विनाश रे दुखर विनाश हिंसा प्रणोदित तरबारीर जय जय नुहे सत्य अहिंसा द्वारा मानव हृदय को जय करवा ही प्रकृत जय
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं